Good morning, grade 5. Today we are going to learn about dividing counting numbers by a fraction and dividing a fraction by another fraction. Okay, so we will just review dividing how to divide counting numbers by a fraction. Okay, so if we have 13 as a counting number, divide by 26 over 8, we are going to get the reciprocal fraction of the second number, which is a 26 over 8. Okay, so that would be 13 times 8 over 26. Okay, you can see 26 over 8 becomes 8 over 26. And the division here will become multiplication. Okay, so now you are ready to um, do the operation. Okay, you have to reduce this one and this one, cancel out. So 13, you divide it by 13, you will have 1. And this one, 26 over 13 or divide by 13 will be 2. Okay, so it becomes 1 times 8 is 8. Okay, over 2. That will become 4. Okay, let's proceed with letter B. We have 22 divided by 11 over 44. So just copy 22, then times, then reciprocal of 11, 44 becomes 44 over 11. Okay, cancel out 22 and 11. 11 divided by 1 is 1. 22 divided by 11 is 2. So we have 2 times 44 over 1, that is equal to 88 over 1 or 88. Okay, let's proceed with letter C. We have 20 divided by 50 over 30. Okay, that is equal to 20. Then change division to multiplication. Then reciprocal of 50 over 30 is 30 over 50. Cancel out 50 and 20. What's their greatest common factor is 10. Okay, so 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5. This will become 2 times 30. That is 60 over 5. And 60 over 5 is 12. All right, so I hope you get that, uh, how to divide counting numbers by a fraction. Okay, so now let's proceed with, oh, yeah, when we say reciprocal fractions, you just exchange the numerator with the denominator. Okay, for example, 1/2, it will become 2 over 1. And 3/4 will become 4/3. Okay, something like that. All right, so how to divide a fraction by another fraction? First step, you have to find the reciprocal of the second fraction. The reciprocal of 6/5 is 5/6. Okay? Now, you are going to multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction by the first fraction. So, um, yeah, wait a moment. Our fraction here is, um, one moment. Should be 2/5 times 6/5. Okay, 2/5 divided by 6/5. All right, this one, 2/5 divided by 6/5. So What are we going to do? Multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction by the first. So 2, 5 will be as is. Divide, okay, it will become multiplication. Then 6, 5, reciprocal is 5, 6. So this one, 2/5 times 5 over 6. Then you cancel out 2 and 6. It means you're going to reduce. Okay, what's their common factor? 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 becomes 1. 6 divided by 2 becomes 3. So this one will become 1 and 3. This one is the same value. So cancel out, cancel out. It becomes 1, 1. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. 1/3. Therefore, 2/5 divided by 6/5 is equal to 1/3. Okay, let's have another example. Divide 7 over 20 by 21 over 4. So you find the reciprocal of the second fraction. Our second fraction is this, 21 over 4. It becomes 4 over 21. Now multiply the reciprocal of the second fraction by the first fraction. So it should be 7 over 20 divided by 21 over 4 is equal to 7 over 20 times 4 over 21. Cancel out, cancel out. This will become 1 and 3, okay, because both can be divided by 7. This one can be divided by 4. 4 divided by 1, 4 is 1. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So 1 times 1 is 1. 5 times 3 is 15. 1/15. Okay, so the answer of 7 over 20 divided by 21 over 4 is equal to 1 over 15 or 1/15. Okay, so that's all for today. Let's continue our lesson on this dividing fractions tomorrow. Bye.